Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with prerequisite checks and the first real step. Make sure the same Google account is active on your phone and your PC. Once done, open the Google Photos app on Android and confirm the locked folder exists. This is necessary because the folder is device-bound. Make sure you've enabled backup and sync for your library so thumbnails and metadata upload. Otherwise, you won't see anything on the web. Now prepare to export a shareable file if needed, because direct PC browsing isn't supported. Next, you perform the middle, more complex step, export from the locked folder on the Android device. You can't view locked folder contents on Photos, Google.com, so you must move or share selected items out of the locked folder. Once you select files, choose Move to Library or Share to save them to an accessible album. If you need them on PC, pick Google Drive Upload or connect your phone via USB and copy the images directly to your desktop. This preserves full resolution. Finally, you complete the process by getting files onto your PC and securing them. On your computer, download the exported images from Google Drive or copy them from the phone storage into a safe folder. Once verified, return to your phone and relock any originals you wanted private. This keeps your privacy intact. If files don't appear, check sync status, confirm Google Photos storage permissions, and restart the app. Permission or upload delays are the common causes and usually resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.